If you want to add text in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to add text to your video, whether you want a simple title, a subtitle, or a more advanced text effect. This is a great skill for YouTube videos, tutorials, social media edits, and any project where you want your message to stand out. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, click on the edit page from the bottom toolbar. This is where you'll do most of your editing work, including adding text, arranging clips, and building your timeline. Once you're on the edit page, look to the top left corner and open the effects library. If you don't see it right away, just click the effects button to enable it. This will bring up all the editing tools you need. Now in the effects panel, go to Toolbox and then select Titles. Inside the title section, you'll see different text options available. For a simple title, drag text onto your timeline. If you want more advanced text controls and better styling options, drag Text Plus instead. Either one will work depending on the look you want, but Text Plus gives you more flexibility. After placing it, make sure you drop it on a track above your video clip so the text appears on top of your footage. Next, click on the text clip in the timeline to select it. This is important because the controls you need will appear based on the item you have highlighted. With the text clip selected, go to the top right corner and open the Inspector panel. If it's not visible, click Inspector to turn it on. The Inspector is where you'll change the text, font, size, color, position, and other style settings. Inside the Inspector, make sure you are on the Video tab. This is where the text settings are located. Now find the rich text box and type in the text you want to display. This could be a title, a lower third, a call out, or any message you want to show on screen. As soon as you type it in, you'll see it update on the viewer. After that, you can adjust the font, size, and color using the controls below the text box. Try different fonts if you want a more professional look, or keep it clean and simple for tutorials and business videos. You can also change the color so the text stands out better against your background. If your video has a busy scene, choose a high contrast color to make the text easier to read. To move the text on the screen, use the transform controls or the position X and Y values. This lets you place the text exactly where you want it, whether that's centered, near the bottom, or in a corner. Small positioning changes can make a big difference in how polished your video looks. If the text feels too large or too small, use the zoom control to resize it. Increase the zoom to make the text bigger and more noticeable, or reduce it if you want a more subtle look. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement and sizing until it fits your video perfectly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add text in DaVinci Resolve 20. Once you know these steps, adding titles and text becomes quick and easy for any project. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.